Cameron's Weather Roadshow on NBC 26.
Welcome back, everybody. I am live in Fond du Lac for the Fond du Lac County Fair, one of the earliest county fairs of the season here in the state of Wisconsin. And right now the weather is just beautiful, but we've got stormy times ahead. Let's take a look at your 7-day temperature trend. We had highs mainly in the lower to mid 80s today, and we can expect more of the same here as we head through the next several days. Finally, by the time we get to Monday, it looks like some cooler weather is going to work in from the north with much less humidity as well. Right now, temperatures across northeast Wisconsin currently range from the upper 70s to the lower 80s, although a northeast wind has kept it cooler near Lake Michigan, still very pleasant, lower to mid 70s. In Green Bay, we're looking at high clouds now streaming in from the west from a big thunderstorm complex that is beginning to move into Wisconsin. The temperature is 79, and the dew point has now creeped back up to 65, so it's starting to get humid once again. But earlier today, we had some refreshing air move in from Canada, at least compared to yesterday when dew points were in the mid 70s. We had dew points in the mid 50s this afternoon. Those comfortable dew points, though, starting to go back up, and by tomorrow we're going to be looking at dew points getting back up into the upper 60s and lower 70s. That cooler, less humid air coming in behind a cold front that is now pushing well to our south and east. It triggered the thunderstorms across the area yesterday evening, but now it's stalling out and actually returning north as a warm front. And as that happens, we're starting to see some thunderstorms develop just to the north of that front here across parts of Minnesota, Iowa, and now western Wisconsin. As we zoom in here just a little bit closer, you can see this cluster of severe thunderstorms now moving south and east, and the northeastern part of that could actually clip our southwestern counties here in about 2 hours or so, and there is going to be a threat for at least some severe weather. Having said that, we do not have a watch in place right now for northeast Wisconsin. A brand new watch has just been issued to our south and west, but none of the counties in the NBC 26 viewing area are under a watch right now. You can see that area of severe thunderstorms there in northeastern Iowa and far southwestern Wisconsin. That's where the greatest threat for severe weather will be as we head through the evening hours. There is a slight risk just to the north of that, and then a marginal threat just to the north of that across parts of the viewing area, because we do have the threat for some more thunderstorms. These thunderstorms to our south and west will mainly produce destructive winds, large hail, and possibly a tornado or two. You can watch those on the high-res future radar product dropping to our south and east. But look what happens later on tonight. Additional showers and thunderstorms will fire up across the area as that frontal boundary lifts north, and it looks like the main threat from those would be heavy rain, but I cannot completely rule out the potential for a strong to possibly severe storm. Now, once that thunderstorm complex clears the area tomorrow, we'll see some lingering clouds during the morning, a mixture of sun and clouds in the afternoon. Temperatures will get back up into the 80s, probably a little bit warmer than what we saw today. Skycast shows the clouds during the morning behind that thunderstorm complex. High pressure will briefly build in from the north as we move through tomorrow night and early Friday, but that frontal boundary is going to be hanging close to the state, and that means we're going to watch another cluster of thunderstorms move across the area on Friday. And once again, there is a threat for some strong to severe storms with that activity as it moves across the viewing area, and obviously we'll watch that as we get a little bit closer. So tonight, showers and thunderstorms late, upper 60s. Tomorrow, AM clouds, maybe a shower. Then PM sunshine. High temperatures will be in the mid 80s. We can expect lower to mid 80s, and for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, on and off chances for showers and thunderstorms. Some cooler weather then starts to work in for Monday and Tuesday before we start to warm back up again late Tuesday into Wednesday. And as we warm back up, we're going to increase our chances for some showers and thunderstorms. If you watched NBC 26 live at 5, you heard lots of honking. There's still lots of honking right now, thanks to this wonderful ride right behind our chroma key here, Stacy. Just a beautiful evening. What a great night for the fair. You know, you name it, they got it here. We've got animals. We're going to be checking in with somebody who just had a birthday about an hour ago, Stacy. That's coming up at the end of the show. And of course, there's awesome food, rides, and we've got concerts as well. What a great family fun event here in Fond du Lac County.